Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by making the hardware and software ready. Plug the original Iqoo charger and high-quality USB-C cable into the phone. Once connected, you should see charging. Make sure battery saver is off and background apps are closed so charging can negotiate max power. Keep the phone on a cool surface and remove bulky cases to prevent thermal throttling. This first step gives the phone the conditions it needs to request fast charge from the adapter. Now you enable the phone's fast charge mode. Go to Settings, then Battery and look for Charging or More Battery settings. Toggle Fast Charging or Super Flash Charge on. Once done, you may see a different charging icon or percent speed indicator. If that option isn't visible, enable developer options by tapping build number 7 times in About Phone, then check for any USB or fast charge related toggles and enable them. These settings let the system accept and manage higher currents safely. Complete the process by confirming the fast charge indicator appears and the percentage rises faster than before. If you don't see it, reboot and try the original charger and cable again. Swap to a known working OEM adapter to isolate the issue. Make sure the USB-C port is clean and that system updates are applied. If problems persist, update firmware or backup data and factory reset as a last resort. One key troubleshooting tip: always verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.